Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the point of sale system using jQuery with HTML. So you have to use this template in your any project. You can use it in React or Vue.js or Angular and any other project. This template you will be using with along with the mobile responsive. Here this is a mobile responsive. Okay. So here this simple one I am going to here. Okay, here you will be able to make the validation over here. If you enter the relevant barcode product ID name should be displayed over here. So here I'm going to enter here as a toy. This is the serial number. So quantity I'm going to buy this same toy 3. Price would be 300. So the total would be displayed. It will be calculated price and quantity. Okay, what is the quantity you enter based on the total would be displayed over here. If you click add here, your product has been added into the table successfully. Here the final cost will be displayed over here. After that I'm going to add another product which is a I'm going to add another product which is a I'm going to add it here barcode 10002, here toy 2, here 3. So here we have to click, here we have to put it here 400, click add, it will be added. So here this one we need to clear. After add this one, quantities would be it not clear, so we have to clear this one. So here we will change it later on. Okay, so here you can see here it will be displayed. Here I want to pay 3000, here the balance would be displayed. Okay, if you want to remove it, here it will be reduce the cost. Okay, so it's simple. Okay, now if you click reset, all things are reset. So a simple process. Okay, it is a professional one. Okay, you will be able to do step by step along with this very nice user interface. Okay, so how I did here is you can see here, this one you can buy it for. I will give you the link. You will be able to buy it. So here this one for only for $1 cost. Okay, so I will provide the source code as well. So this simple code. But this is the CSS style and this is HTML style. I have attached it. So here I did it here. If you go through this code, you can see over here, this is the header section. So we have a toggle navigation. This is the toggle navigation, which is the meaning of this one. Toggle. Here's a toggle navigation. You will be able to see. You can see it's a toggle. That is a mobile responsive. Okay. So you can do it over here like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here the simple one. After that you can go, okay, this form, you will be able to see this form here, simple barcode, product name, quantity and price and total option, everything are there. This is the things which is which is this part. Okay, this is a nice design. This is a CSS file. I already created a different file, POS CSS. The simple file I attach it over here. You will be able to see the simple design. Okay, you will be able to see the simple design over here. You will be able to see here simple HTML and CSS files. Okay, you will be able to get them. Okay, all the designs should be there. It has a product name, product code, product name, quantity, price, and total and options. This all things are there. Product code, product name, quantity, item price, and total cost. Here the button, which is a one button, add button, product should be added into the add product row. After that we have right here, this is the table. Below the table it should be item should be added. So the payment, you will be able the payment form, simple form here. It consists of total cost, payment and balance. Okay, after that we have a simple one underline. So you will be able to see the middle underline in between payment and button. So we have two buttons, checkout and reset. After that we have to make the jQuery. So this is a jQuery library. We have to attach it. You have to get it from this one as a Google. Okay, you will be able to go over here. You will type it the jQuery bin.json. So I haven't connected internet. That's why it's not. You can go here. You type it jQuery CDN. Here it will be available here. Here you can get them here. This one I have to copy and use it. Okay, so this is the one jQuery min.js. Okay, all the validation part in jQuery, we need this one in order to do all the validation part. You have to attach this one, this library. Otherwise, we can't do it. After that, I'm going to do it. Another is a bootstrap. You have to do the bootstrap CDN. So if you get anything is a bootstrap, you need this one CDN, this library. So click on this and you can use it, put it inside the attack and use it. Okay, so here you have to attach the here. After that, we have a separate CSS file. I have attached here over here for the design. This is a design purpose. We have to navigate everything there. Okay, this is a CSS part. Simple system, the CSS part of this. Okay, you just copy and paste on this CSS and you can use them. Okay, so after that we have to make the jQuery part. So this jQuery, if you have to calculate the total price and everything. Okay, the total and price quantity. Once you enter the item price and quantity, if you select the quantity, it will be calculated and display the final cost. It fits to decimal point. You write like this. After that, update the total summary over here. After you have to reduce the total, you have to increase and decrease the one. Okay, so they add the product into the table row. You have to write like this. Add row, append. You have to append the table rows. Okay, you have to using the append this one. Okay, these are all things that we have done it over here. Okay, so here are barcode, product name, quantity, price. Click add button. Click on this. You have right here. It will be adding. You will be able to see that everything is working fine. If you click reset, everything should be resetted. Everything done by this simple code. Okay, the very simple code. This after that we have to create reset button. This is how we have clear the all the fields: product code, product name, quantity, item price, total cost, product list, body, total cost, total advance pay. Everything should be clear over here. Okay, this all things are clear. Okay, so here this one's advance pay mean this one. I put it here, this one. The total and when you enter the total, when you with the payment, the balance should be displayed. It's not advance pay. You have to make change it as a balance. Okay, so balance. So here the product code. Okay, so product name. The product name also we haven't. Once you add the product, where's the code? Okay, here product name should be clear. Okay, this one should be val. That's why it's not clear, not text. Now let's check it here. Once you add the product again, product name, the product price. Click add button. Okay, the product add button here. It clear everything. Here everything should be clear. We enter the another one. Product name, price. You apply it into the price. Click add button here. It will click clear. Okay, simple one. This is a simple, very professional process. We have done it. So you have to put this product into a entire POS system, your project, your company project, or everything. Okay, you will be using this one. So this is very essential POS system. Okay, you will be using this code, simple code. Okay, we have done it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.